You are going to love the 2008 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, luggage rack, rear window wiper, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.